Yes guys, welcome to this short video guys. You're going to absolutely love it. I'm going to share with you how I got from 0 to 100k per month with just 12 months. And it's not just about me guys, I'm doing this, I'm telling you this to inspire you and tell you the blueprint so you can also do the same. Because I've been there. And from my story you'll hear, you'll see I've been lost, I've been confused, I've been broke, I've been homeless. I've been in so many trials and tribulations. We haven't got time to talk about it on here. So guys, check it. So guys, as you probably know my story, I am dyslexic. School dropout, dyslexic. Guys, I tried every single business model on the planet online. I tried drop shipping, YouTube automation, Forex, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. Guys, I've tried it all. And honestly, I failed miserably. And I thought it was me until I realized, no, these business models are so saturated, guys. And they're a gamble. End of the day, guys, you are actually not just investing into your education, into a program, you also have to invest into setup fees, Facebook ads, systems, softwares, so much more than just what these gurus tell you. And I personally lost thousands from these business models and years of my life just trying to figure it out. Because guys, at the end of the day, you always have something called opportunity cost. And there's other good opportunities out there which I missed at this time. So guys, but then finally I found the business model that I was looking for. And that was something called appointment setting, guys. And finally, it actually something that made sense. All these other business models, I was trying it because everybody else was doing it. Everybody else was talking about it. But the appointment setting, nobody's talking about. Nobody really, much people are talking about it now. But at the time, I was like, this makes sense. So I make money from every time a business owner makes a sale. And these gurus have big Instagram, big Facebooks. Who could be speaking to these people? It couldn't be the business owner, could it? So it made sense to me. Oh, okay. And then I found out that you get 5 to 10% of what the business owners makes. And I know these business owners make a lot of money because they're gurus, right? So doing a bit of research, I hear they're making $100,000 a month and you get 5 to 10%. I was all in. I was like, sign me up. I had a really good thing about this, guys. I remember, like I told you at the start, I was broke and I borderline got homeless on my friends' and family's couches, trying to figure out how to make money online, right? Invest into all these gurus programs. And then, guys, finally, I found this business model and I sucked my pride up and I invested more money into another program just because I really believed in this program and I was ready to give up. I was like, this is my last chance. And I came across a guy called Tiago. And Tiago had an appointment setting offer. And he was teaching people how to be appointment setters. And then, like I said, borrowed money off friends and family, invested into his program. And luckily, well, he offered guaranteed job placements, but luckily it was a job placement with him. Finally, guys, I mastered something legit, a legit high income skills. I trained for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, always listening to what my mentor told me. Watch this program, and that was it, guys. Finally cracked it. In my first month, I made like $5,000. Second month, over $7,000, and the third month, guys, that was it. I was making $12,000 per month, and I even kept that receipt because I knew one day. I knew I'll be talking about this story, guys. I just knew it. I knew I was going to make it. And you guys that are watching this, you know you're going to make it too. And I promise you, you can make it. Because if I can make it, we all can make it. So guys, this is when my life changed forever. Making my first $12,000 per month as a appointment setter. So then, that's $12,000. So I went from 0 to $12,000 appointment setter. How do you get to 100k, Christian? I'm going to tell you. So the next big step, my business owner that was working with Tiago, he's seen how I was crushing appointment setting. He said, Christian, can you take calls for me? Can you become a closer? I didn't know what a closer was. I was like, okay, sounds good. How much does closer usually make? 20,000, 30,000 a month. I was like, I'm all in. He did say he's not the best closer, but he put me in the right direction where to get a closing program for. So guys, you'll never believe this. I invested $10,000 into a program. All right. And it was the biggest investment I ever made in myself, but the best I've ever made. The skills that I learned in that program to be a closer, I came out the door hitting. The first month, because I was doing DM setting and closing, I made $30,000, guys. My life changed forever. That was it. I went from earning just over 10K a month, which that was life changing, to 30K a month, and it was a different level. Different level. I've got to say, making that first $12,000, it was proof of concept. I got myself out of debt, got myself in my own apartment, and I started to live life. But when I hit that 30K with closing, guys, and let me just explain to you about closing. All it is when you're a DM setter, you book appointments for the closer, and the closer closes the deal, and you make a commission. But I was doing both, right? As I said, guys, first month I made $30,000, tripled my income, life changed forever. I moved out to Dubai before this, but I moved out to Dubai on a budget. Now I was in Dubai, absolutely balling, living my dream life. But I still wanted more. Success leaves clues, guys. I was looking at my business owners, and he was making over $100,000 a month. And I was like, if he can do that, why can't I? I'm basically doing half of his work with the sales side anyway. So then, guys, what did I do? I invested into another mentorship. This one was about $15,000 actually for this mentorship. It was more how to open up marketing agencies and scale them. So I did look at obviously what my business owner Tiago was doing. Knew I could do it myself. Had the sales skills. Just needed to know marketing skills and operations. Invest into a program. Then, guys, that was it. Within 6 months, I was making over $100,000 within 6 months, guys, with my own marketing agency. And just because I was stacking skills, appointment setting, closing, my own marketing agency. I know, guys, don't get twisted. The story sounds easy, but it wasn't easy. There was a lot of trials, a lot of tribulation, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of me investing back into my future, back into my education, taking risks, putting in the hours, working sometimes 18 hours a day. But there's a good news. It paid off. And it's still paying off for my students and still paying off to many others, because this online world of sales is one of the fastest growing industry out there. It's all to do with the e-learning space. It's set to be $1 trillion in 2025. It's a 3x growth in 3 years. So basically, all these gurus, course creators, they're making high ticket programs, and they need appointment setters. They need closers. So instead of opening your own business, you can just help them. And then in time, maybe do your own. So yeah, guys, when I hit that 100K a month, life changed for absolutely forever. Bought my dream car that the kids always wanted, a Ferrari. Bought that. Bought my wife a dream penthouse in Dubai. Treated myself with a Rolex. Bought myself, my wife, a new wedding ring. And guys, I was absolutely living a dream. But then I got to a point, guys, where I was like, this is cool and everything. I'm loving life. But I wanted to just give back. I wanted to give back to the world, because I've always been a nice guy. I always wanted to teach. So I was like, let me train people as appointment setters and get people placed with the business owners that I was working for anyway. And it's a two-sided thing. Like the business owners that I was working with anyway, get an appointment setter, and normal 9 to 5s. People that I was sick and tired of living in the rat race, or just want an extra income, or tried all the other business models and want to try something that's actually legit. And yes, you invest in a mentor, but then you work for your money. You're not gambling, you're working for your money. So I opened Elite Setters Academy. Guys, my students are absolutely crushing it. You see, Adam, $10,000 a month at 19. Ishmael, 38, doing $4,000 a month. I could go on and on and on, guys. Go to my Instagram page and have a look at the highlights. We're absolutely crushing it. Jordan was actually an editor, full-time editor, living in Turkey. Now he's making 4 to 5K a month, and he's told me he lives like a king in Turkey. So God bless them all. So guys, now here's the juicy part. I have some amazing news to share with you guys. Yes, you can possibly join the academy. We'll talk about that later, how to join. And just chill at 5K a month. Chill at 10K a month. That's fine. The academy we're over-delivering on that side anyway. Because there's all more of a strategy that we teach to be an elite appointment setter. Which I don't want to go through this in this video. We can have a call. I'll tell you what to do at the end of the video, how you can find out for more information. But anyway, guys, for you guys that are hungry, that you see my journey, but you want more, right? Then we are actually adding now a closing academy. Closing. So I'm helping people go from my journey, from nothing, appointment setter, then to a closer. Then what's next? We'll talk about that in a bit. So, guys, everybody that joins the program before we officially launch are getting this extra program for free. Remember earlier, I told you I paid $10,000 for a closing program. Understand closing, guys. It's a lot to train, right? That's why they go for $10,000. It's a lot. It's a big process, okay? This program should easily cost $15,000, but it ain't nothing like that. So ask yourself, guys, where else in the world would you be able to pay to graduate within 30, 45 days, land a job placement to be making 10 to 30K a month? Where? Because I don't know where, but Elite says, all right? And soon we're actually going to rebrand to Elite Sales, and that's because we added in closing as well. And also, guys, we give a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you join the program and it's not for you, then is what it is. We give you a full money-back guarantee. I don't know when to be in the program if they don't want to be. Harvard, you can't even get Harvard tuition's $70,000, $80,000 a month. Average university, you're probably getting in debt at $20,000, $30,000 a month, guys. You don't need to get in debt here. Okay, guys, so this is who we are partnered up with. This guy is an absolute beast of a man. 2 comma award winner, meaning he's sold over $2 million worth of sales closing. And I've actually done the same in my marketing agency. So you're getting trained by killers, guys. So what's next? So if you join the program, if you're a good fit, we've got you to 10K a month with appointment setting. Then we're going to get you to 30K a month with closing. What next? I'll tell you what next is. Do what I did. This is what I'm here to inspire the world with. So much gurus, people out there that always tell you what to do. I'm telling you to do what I'm doing. But I will tell you, you have to stack your skills. Don't just jump to open your own marketing agency and think you're going to make 100K. You will fail miserably. Stack your skills, guys. Do DM setting. Do closing. Then go in the bank. And this is what I'm doing. Guys, this program is nuts. I've never seen anything like this on the planet. And I've invested into programs up to 25K. And I've never seen anything takes you from here and takes you steps and hold your hands all the way. And each step give you job placements. Okay? So with the closing, you're going to absolutely be trained by world-class killers. So now let's get you to 30K. What next? Well, guys, what's next? Do what I did. Don't do what I say, do what I did. I did appointment setting, did closing, then I opened my own marketing agency. And we'll hold your hands all the way through that process too, guys. Because I know how to scale offers. Because I've done it before. Okay? So, guys, so it's in your hands. Remember, you can make 5 to 10K a month as an appointment setter, and you can be comfortable. You can chill. Or if you're hungry and you want to refine your skills and skill stack, then join then you can just start teaching you how to close. Absolutely free, because it's already included in the elite setting program. All right, totally up to you. At least you know there's always growth. And as Tony Robinson says, one of our human needs are growth. If you're not growing, we're dying. And just to know you can invest into one program and you can go all the way to 100K, you ain't getting that nowhere. And you can stop at 10K if you want. You can stop at 5K, stop at 3K. The world's your oyster. What you put in is what you get out. I know you may think this sounds good to be true, but it isn't. Do you know why? It's not passive income. This is not get rich quick scheme. This is not no gamble stocks and all this, right? And crypto. You have to work for this. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be rewarding. And you can do it at your own pace. We have students that are doing couple of hours a day learning, and even get placed a couple of hours a day. Okay? What you put in is what you get out. So guys, what did you learn from my story? I hope you learned these following things. Stack your skills. Start here to work your way up. Too much people today, they have short-term vision. Everyone wants to get rich overnight, but it's not like that. And I'm not here to promise you can get rich overnight. I'm here you can easily, within a month, start making $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Easily. But you're not going to make that 100K for a few months, a year plus. But I'm here to take you all the way. Okay? I never give up. I consistently invested into my education. Okay? So, once you start making the change in your life today, you want to get out your 9 to 5 or at least a side income to combat the cost of living and actually have spare income just by doing an extra 2 to 3 hours a day as an appointment setter, and a bit more if you want to go to those levels. If you're ready and actually serious about committing and changing your life and investing time and investing money, because it's probably not free, all right? But to make a lot more money, okay? Then DM me the word, I'm in. And guys, I'll ask you a few questions. I'll see if you're a good fit. Because not everybody's a good fit for this academy. Because we only want people that are really hungry to succeed and want to invest into themselves and have the time and the resources to invest into themselves. Right, guys? And remember, we only pick 5 students per month because we place you with these business owners and we don't want to overpromise too many placements. Okay? And because we guarantee job placements, guys. And we give so much one-on-one support. So, guys, if you are ready, then DM the word I'm in to my Instagram accounts. Remember this? Christian__Clayton or Elite Setters. I am in. And I will ask you some questions, see if you're a good fit. And then we'll see where we can go from there. Okay? Remember, guys, Elite Sales, this is what we're going to be. Elite Sales now, but we're going to rebound to Elite Sales, is not just a program. It's a movement. We will give you everything you need to achieve any goals you have. I'm no smarter than you. I'm telling you, I'm no smarter than you. But I've done it. And I know with our help, my team's help, with all the resources that we have, or the coaches, or the team that we have, we can help you achieve any goals. So guys, DM the word I'm in if you're serious. God bless you all.